guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a video on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that you should select the video you want to forward and tap on the three dots icon below the video next to the title and click on the share button, which is the fourth option. Here you can find a bunch of options. You can forward it via WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email, Reddit, Pinterest and other social networking sites. Below them you can find this link of your video that you can copy by tapping on the copy button. As you can see, the link has been copied to the clipboard, so you are ready to send it to your recipient. And you can also indicate where would you like your recipient to start the video at. So if you tap on this button, you can indicate, for example, that he or she should start at 1 minute, so it will be indicated as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.